Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to reset CP plus DVR password. Okay, click on menu, try pattern to login DVR. This pattern is not work. Now click on switch user. Type here password. Click on enter. Now check password is not working. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to reset this password. Okay, first open DVR cover. Now you see here there is a two pins are there. Short this pin to master reset or hard reset like this. Short this pin like this. Hold 10 second or 20 second for reset DVR. After this, open DVR and check. You see DVR is resetted or password is clear. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See